Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 7 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about Yazra data tables, Excel and CSV export buttons. So let's see how we can add Excel and CSV export button to the Yazra data table. So switch to the project and in previous video, we have created this data table. Okay, you can see in the browser, I'm just going to type here employees and see this data table. Okay. Now let's add export and CSV button to this data tables. Alright. So for that, first of all, install a package. So switch to the command prompt and here, first of all, stop the running application. So just press Ctrl plus C. Now run the command which is composer require Yazra slash Laravel dash data tables. Alright, dash buttons. Now press enter. Alright, package has been installed. Now make the configuration. So switch to the project and inside this project just open app directory and config directory. Just go inside the config, then app.php file, and here in this providers array, just add here Yazra data tables and button service provider, and write here the class. Right. Now save this file and now let's publish this configuration. So switch to the command prompt and here just write php artisan vendor colon publish dash dash tag is equal to data tables dash buttons. All right, now press enter. Publishing completed. Now go to the employee data tables. So just go inside app directory and then data tables, and you can see here the employee data table. Just open it and here inside this HTML function just add here DOM, and inside this DOM just pass here BFR tip. Okay, and here inside the arrow and write here button small letter button, and inside this just write here button colon make, and inside this just write here the Excel. Okay, now add another button for CSV. So just write here button colon make, and inside this just write here CSV. Okay, Now save this file and now go to the employee blade.php file. So just go inside the resources directory, then views and employee blade.php file, and here first of all let's add the button extension cdn. So switch to the browser and just go to the cdn dot datatables.net, and here just click on bootstrap 4 and now scroll the page, and from here you can see here the buttons. Now just copy this css and js file. Okay, so first copy css, and inside this employee.blade.php file here just add link, and in href just paste the css url. Okay, now copy the js file, jscdn, just select and copy, and here add the script tag, script src, and paste here. Now copy another one. Alright, now save this file. Now add here just before this tag, here just add the script tag, and src just write here vendor data tables slash buttons dot server side dash side dot js. Alright, vendor data tables buttons and this. Okay, now save this file. All set, so let's check it. So just run the application. So just write here php artisan serve, press enter. Now switch to the browser and just refresh the page, and here you can see the excel button and csv button. Alright, now click on excel. You can see here the .xls file. Now just open this file, and you can see here the records. Alright, now just click on csv, downloaded. Now just open the csv file, and you can see here all the records. Okay, so in this way you can add excel and csv buttons to the Yazra data tables. So that's all about Yazra data tables, excel and csv export buttons. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.